Root cause analysis, RCA, is essential in quality management, offering structured methods to identify the fundamental sources of problems. The Ishikawa diagram, or fishbone diagram, organizes potential causes into categories like the 6 megaseconds: man, machine, material, method, measurement, and Mother Nature. This visual tool captures 70 to 80% of possible causes during brainstorming sessions, creating a comprehensive map of relationships. The 5 whys technique involves asking why 5 times to drill down from symptoms to root causes, identifying the root cause in about 75% of cases. This effectiveness rises to nearly 90% when combined with other methods. Cause and effect analysis expands the fishbone approach, revealing that 65% of root causes are due to interactions between factors. Pareto analysis shows 80% of quality problems arise from just 20% of causes, helping focus resources effectively. Other methods include fault tree analysis for safety-critical processes and FMEA that identifies potential failure points. Implementing multiple RCA methods can identify true root causes in over 90% of incidents compared to 50 to 60% with a single method. The most successful quality initiatives use a tailored combination of techniques for specific problem types.